Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today, let's talk about how to transform a sitemap from XML to CSV. So classic use case is I'm doing a website migration. I want to know all the URLs that are on my domain right now. And let's go over, and this is the example domain that we have here, magicdesign/sitemap XML. You can see all the different URLs, and now we want to copy them over. So I'm just going to copy them here. And there's a super cool website called Convert CSV, XML to CSV converter, and we can simply paste in all the URLs here. And now we can have the XML convert to CSV. Let's wait for a second while he's doing it. And then we should be able to download the conversion is now available. Let's see. Okay, results saved to disk. And now we can just open them up and take a look how it worked. And as you can see here, all the URLs that we had before in XML are now perfectly stored in a CSV. And this one I can also open up in Google or Excel and then use for my redirects. So hope you liked the video. If you want to have more videos on marketing, SEO, and all sorts of founder stuff, make sure to follow the account and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.